EBSCO is the world's leading provider of research and knowledge services. AWS Cloud Institute has been a terrific partner and a creative partner in working with us as a global employer with thousands of employees. And we're really excited about the opportunity to influence the program and leverage the talent that comes out of it. It takes a long time to recruit talent with the right skill set in the cloud. This program is really creating an opportunity for us to curate that talent, be sure they're coming with the right skills. AWS Cloud Institute goes above and beyond what we see coming through our talent pipeline. One of my favorite things about the program is how the curriculum evolves quarter over quarter, year over year. Some great examples of that are the new AI and Amazon Bedrock components. AWS Cloud Institute empowers us to move faster, onboard quicker, and ensure that our talent is coming in ready to hit the ground running. It's truly been fascinating to see the candidates that the program has been attracting. The richness in durable and soft skills that they're bringing to the table with reskilling and upskilling candidates from different industries really has the opportunity to add some depth to our bench.